Catherine, what are you monitoring today?
Well, we're not really looking at much for us, particularly today, but overnight we are going to be noticing our next system is going to try to creep into the area, providing us with that chance to see some more wintry precipitation. But for us right now, we are noticing a little bit of that cloud cover is trying to enter into the area, mainly from the south. We have a system that's geared down to our south, not looking like it's going to provide us with any of the rain showers. It looks to stay more confined to around the North Carolina area, could try to creep into Virginia, but most of our viewing area is going to remain dry throughout the course of today. What we're tracking for the overnight hours and throughout Friday is the system up to our northwest. It arrives very early tomorrow morning, giving us that chance to have the wintry precipitation back into our area. We are already having a winter storm watch issued. This will begin at 4 a.m. Friday morning for the western and northern portions of Pocahontas County, lasting until Saturday 1 a.m. in preparation for the snowfall that we are going to receive. It is possible for some areas in Pocahontas County, especially the higher elevations above 3,500 feet, to see close to a foot of snow. Just a little bit less than that, but there is that potential there. Temperatures right now are a little bit cooler. We're sitting into the 30s for most of the area. Do have a few lower 40s still popping up, but for us today, we are going to warm up into the lower in the middle 50s for most of us. Holding on to the chances to have the partly cloudy, mostly cloudy skies. Shouldn't see any rain showers though throughout the course of today. Overnight though, we're going to have that system from the northwest start to come on in. It's going to give us a chance to see a little bit of a rain-snow mix overnight as temperatures will be into the lower and the middle 30s. Now tomorrow morning, we're looking pretty clear for that morning commute, but into the later morning, early afternoon, that's when these scattered snow showers, the wintry mix is going to pop into the area. It's going to be on and off, hit or miss at times throughout tomorrow, becoming more widespread into the later afternoon and into the evening. Now temperatures today we know are going to be in the 50s, so the ground's still going to hold on to some of that heat. So the commute tomorrow through the daylight hours isn't looking terrible, mainly because we should be seeing not much accumulation on the roadways, but the overnight hours. We will be having cooler air continue to funnel in, allowing temperatures to dip down into the 20s for us. That's going to allow this snowfall to start to accumulate over top of the area. Totals still really aren't that impressive, but along the western slopes could see around 1 to 3 inches. But as we head up around the snowshoe area, trying to include some of Pocahontas County, could see roughly that amount I was telling you about, close to a foot of snow. 6 to 10 inches is possible. Kind of looks to be the same setup as last weekend, where we had a little bit of that snowfall come in and mainly started to stick into the overnight hours. Eastern slopes and around Buchanan County are going to see a trace to 1 inch, nothing impressive still, but northern Fayette, western Greenbrier could see around 3 to 5 inches for those higher elevations. So the main weather hazards starting tomorrow morning, Friday, lasting into early Saturday morning are going to be the scattered snow showers, going to produce some slick roadways, and then we are going to deal with a little bit of poor visibility too, especially in the nighttime hours. Winds are going to continue to pick up, could have those gusts about 30 miles per hour. The extended forecast shows a nice dry weekend is up ahead though, so we're only going to deal with the snow showers primarily throughout our Friday. We will have temperatures a little bit cooler on Saturday, lower 40s. By Sunday, warming up quite a bit, and just in time for spring forward, I should say. Highs will be in the upper 50s.